FRCC racket busted in Haflong, FIR launched against one person. KFA distributed blankets and yarn to 60 families in West Karbi Anglong. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I am Bhamilin Teronpi, bringing you the latest news for today. Now the news in details. Normal life has been affected in many areas under Bokazan subdivision following a heavy rain, which hit the area at around 11:30 p.m. on Monday night. Several houses have also been partially submerged, forcing people to take shelter in safer places. Locals told Karbi Anglong Live that many of them were catched by water inside their homes in the early hours of Tuesday. Other places including Lahorijan, Khatkhati, Sukhanjan, Amarajan, Hanjanglangso, IB, Lakhijan, Gilai have also been affected by the flood, but no reports of loss of life have been reported so far. In addition to submerging of roads at several locations, several houses, fisheries and paddy fields have also been inundated by the flash flood. A bridge inside Lahorijan has reportedly collapsed. One child have also reportedly been missing, while the detail is still awaited. Anand Terang from Bokazan, Karbi Anglong Live. In a big news coming from Haflong, a fake FRCC racket has been busted by the local authority. The illegal use of FRCC had been causing heavy loss of revenue to the district for a long time. The Mahasa Divisional Forest Officer Tuhin Rangthasa on Sunday lodged an FIR with Haflong PS against Panthajit Jarambosa, a resident of Umrangso, for selling fake forest royalty clearance certificate to contractors engaged in NIPCO works. The FIR stated that Pathanjit forged signature of the DFO in the fake FRCC, which were later submitted to Deputy Conservator of Forest for the said works. An official investigation from the Forest Department has already started. Earlier on the same day, Pathanjit had lodged an FIR against NCHAC CM Debolal Gorosa, alleging him of sending men who physically assaulted them in pretext of inquiry about the FRCC. He further alleged that the CEM had demanded Rs 20 lakhs within 10 days and had threatened of dire consequences if he fails to pay the sum.
रोथन जोरमपुसा से फ़ोन किया आप लोगों से, तो हम लोग ऑफिस का काम कुछ है बोल के सोचा, तो आप लोग में आई गया, आई के वो लोग फिर फ़ोन किया गेस्ट हाउस में आओ बोल के, तो हम लोग गेस्ट हाउस में गया, मीटिंग है बोल के बुलाया, तो गया, तो हम लोग को पूछा वो तो आतोर का कागज़ तो कहाँ मिला बोल के पूछा, तो हम तो बोल दिया आप लोगों से खरीदा, तो उन नाम भी पूछा, तो फिर कल्चरल हॉल का सामने में चक्रवर्ती बाबू बोल के एक तो बुरा था, उसको वहाँ में हम आगे में खरीदा था, उसको बोला, उसको भी लेके गया, तो उसको भी मारा और हमको भी बहुत मारा, पानी पिला के सांस भी बंद हुआ थोड़ा टाइम के लिए। फिर
In this connection, a case number 100-2020 US 342 109 325 387 34 of IPC have been registered. Meanwhile, on Monday, NCHAC EM Biswajit Daulaguphu, while addressing a press meet here, refuted the allegation and said that Pathanjit was running a fake FRCC racket and was caught through a scrutiny by the council. He also said that Pathanjit was not assaulted at a guest house and might have filed an FIR in order to escape payment of the lost revenue.
उस दिन जो पुलिस को हम लोग जो सीएम गेस्ट हाउस में सीएम सांसद जो हम लोग को उधर फौजदारी FRCC के लिए जो मीटिंग हुआ था, उस मीटिंग में जो उमरासू का पतंजित जरामुसा जो FRCC का जो रैकेट चलाया उसको बुलाया था, वो मीटिंग में जो रैकेट चलाया उसको लेकिन मीटिंग किया, लेकिन वो ऑनरेबल सीएम सर को जो एलिगेशन लगाया, हम लोग अपन सब को लेकर लगाया, वो पूरा झूठ बात है। वो उसमें कोई भी सच्चाई नहीं है, वो 100% वो झूठ बात है। बीमा असम में बहुत हम लोग रेवेन्यू लॉस होता है, इसके लिए हम लोग ऑनरेबल सीएम सर ये लीकेज को हम लोग बंद करने के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पे मीटिंग भी किया है, तो उसको स्पीड वार्निंग भी दिया है उस दिन में। लेकिन वो अकेला ये रैकेट चलाता है, ये बात नहीं, इसमें बहुत लोग इन्वॉल्व है। ये इन्वॉल्वमेंट को हम लोग अभी जैसे भी करके मतलब पकड़ना है इसको, कौन कौन ये रैकेट में शामिल है, उसके लिए हम लोग FIR भी दिया है हम लोग का फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट का तरफ से। वो जो जिसको लेके उस दिन में और भी बोला वो पतंजलि जरा गुस्सा से, लेकिन उस दिन में उसको बुला के पूछा तो उसके यहाँ से तो वो नहीं मिला बोला, लेकिन वो अभी तक किसके यहाँ से मिला वो क्लियर अभी तक नाम नहीं बताया। तो ये इन्वेस्टिगेशन के लिए हम लोग पुलिस को FIR भी किया है, ये तो काफी पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन में पता चलेगा कौन कौन और इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट है। कब से बोलने से तो हम लोग को भी पता नहीं, पहले से चल रहा है, लेकिन किसके दिन से स्टार्ट हुआ ये तो हम लोग को भी बोलना मुश्किल है, लेकिन ये पहले से चलते आया है। लेकिन इसको पहले से चलता है बोल के हम लोग अभी इसको और भी आगे चलाएगा ये नहीं, पहले से चलता है, लेकिन अभी से यह टोटल बंद होगा। और कौन कौन इसमें इन्वॉल्वमेंट है उसको अभी हम लोग पहचान करना है, पकड़ना है, इसको सबको मिलना है।
Although Pathanjit has several marks in his body, sources say that few days back he met an accident in Umrongso on his scooter with the registration number AS081384, and the vehicle is still lying at Umrongso police station. Suraj Barman from Haflong, Karbi Anglong Live.
In a news coming in from Dilai, huge areas inside Hidipi and places adjacent to Dilai market have been inundated by water from Dilai river following heavy rain, which hit the areas on Monday night. More than 25 houses near Dilai market have been heavily affected by the flash flood. In addition to this, paddy fields, fisheries and other farming areas have also been submerged underwater. On the other hand, the main road connecting Dilai and Hanjanglangso have also been partially affected by the sudden flood, due to which several numbers of vehicles bound for Borjan, Sarupathar, Nilip and other districts of Assam have been stopped for several hours till the water receded to safety level. The affected families have been kept at a relief camp established in Dilai Youth Club. Affected families told reporters that it would at least take another 4 or 5 days for the water to subside and for them to return to their homes and works.
Ini selangdo karbeng longarafan non nili ladak karjap ike Dilai along rilong towe porthai binang ana porlom arwe ke jok ladak Dilai roy tang bak penjok binang an daklang indun ro ladak non nili karjap lake DS road athege ladak DS road Dilai Surhijan road ladak main road lo non halapu camera person na thekling halapu opene bike tame kangdoi pon lason lo ke halapu tame theklong ji je halapu tame truck hai lapen ke munit tumke wang ke damji phan dikurong supi ke pali ji phan lapen ke pu diku atowar na thupen halapu Surhijan lapen ke Bokajan Jorhat lapu kidam atum sidami ladak ing Hong Kong ano lasi pinangan rara tum siksak lo lape sini perke non aku nuli paklang itu lapu kamera person paklang konta lapu hola electronic repairing adin lo.
Meanwhile, no elected representative or government official have visited the affected families and the areas at the time of filing this report. Vijay Rongpi Dilai from Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Farmer Association Hamran Regional Committee on Tuesday distributed cotton yarn and blankets to 60 families in West Karbi Anglong district. The two items to the 60 families were distributed through the KFA Hamran Regional Committee President Durgeswar Intikathar and General Secretary Raja Singhi in a small event. According to the organization, 1 kg of yarn and 1 blanket were handed over to each family of the area. In addition to this, the organization also informed that the same item were distributed simultaneously in 6 other places, which are Khiruni, Menmeji, Tumpreng, Taradubi, Borkok and Jengkha by KFA of these respective places. KFA Hamran Regional Committee President Durgeswar Inti said that they would continue to take up more of such programs related to the welfare of the poor people of the district. Wiki Bay Tumpreng for Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.